There we go. Right. Let's do another one we've done before. But this one does get rather bumpy. Further on, probably even more so after recent rains that have occurred. Probably washed some ruts out a bit more. In this camera setup works all right. Well, if it doesn't, it doesn't. We'll find out when we get home. Oh well, yeah, got a bit more rutted. Oh yeah. I keep thinking the blue flashing light on the camera is somebody behind me. I don't think there's a way to turn the light off either. But just trying a different method. Plus also I've not had the GoPro charged lately, so it's been a little bit dead. Oh, let's try going down here, shall we? Went round it last time. Yeah. Nice. Well, thus far, the lift kit's working really well, despite the fact it's only 30mm. The reason I'm actually doing this tonight, and I was going to come out earlier in the day, but didn't get round to it, is because after having the lift kit and other work done by Darkside a couple of weeks ago, we'll be ground on this on the sills. No, we bloody won't. Nice. I do have a slight kind of what seems to be a rotational torque related clicking noise at times, and oh, this is where I did the cross axle seesaw in first time I came down here. Let's do it again now, shall we? Yep, there we go. Ooh, let's get past this bit and I'll carry on talking. Oh, I've missed doing this. It's been a good few weeks. Oh, now this bit's looking fun. Bloody hell. Oh, I'm going to go for the drop-off. Should be. Oh, some guards proving useful. Yeah, as I was saying, I've got a bit of a little bit of a kind of a rotational click, which I had wondered if it might be flywheel related. Dual mass flywheel might be on its way out, but there's no judderiness or anything, so there's no physical symptoms of that. thinking about it more recently, I think I've got a feeling it might be an inner CV joint on one of my front drive shafts. So the joint at the end of the shaft that, the transmission end goes into the gearbox, it might well be one of those. I mean, having a lift kit fitted, although it's only a small amount of lift, it does change all your suspension and drive shaft geometry ever so slightly. Yeah, handles fine on road. There's no physical symptom. Again, I can't actually feel anything through the car when I'm driving. It's just I get a noise. Right, where am I going to go next? Let's put the windscreen heater on, shall we? I think I'm going to do Tideswell. We shall do Tideswell Lane. So now I've got to work out to get back to I'll get it up on my phone. It's easier that way. Still don't know this area particularly well. I mean, I live like over an hour away, so. Right, let's stop shy of the road. The full beams are off. Whew. That was a fun one. Right. All being well, should see you at Tideswell. That rhymes, kind of. Good boo. Oh, I just thought I'd say, by the way. While I pull out here, once I got a free run, as well as a lift kit and sump guards, and a Haldex service, on timing belt and water pump replacement. I have also had a cheeky dyno remap. You can't really tell it there, but and you probably wouldn't have been able to hear because of the debris, the windscreen heater, that I got the clicky sound on acceleration, but never mind. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit.